the smallest possible number of students in a class if the girls in the class are less than 50% but more than 48% is fine. Very interesting question. Smallest possible number. Right? So first of all, we know girls less than boys is less than 50%, but only just more than 48%. Right? So just less than. Right? So we can calculate this accurately and do this algebraically. I don't want to do that. I want to look at these numbers. Right? 25 girls less than boys. So it could have 12 by 25. 12 girls and 13 boys. 12 by 25. 12 by 25 is 48%. Less than 50, but equal to 48. We wanted more than 48. That means at least 48 would have marked this. 12 by 25 works. The number of girls is less than number of boys, but only just. That's our question. Question is, find a scenario where number of girls is less than number of boys, but only just, such that when you do girls by total, your percentage of girls is more than 48. So I'm doing this. This doesn't work. We go here for 100. 50-50 is equal. 49 girls by 100. That is 49%. This satisfies. That's not my answer, because I want to know a scenario where the smallest possible number of students. So with 100 it is possible. With 200 it will be possible. Definitely. If 100 is possible, 200 is possible. 49 by 100. 100 by 200 is exactly 50%. 99 by 200 will work. 98 by 200 will work. These two work, but they're not the smallest. They may not be the smallest. So 200 I can eliminate. 25 doesn't work at all. 27. We do 13 by 27. If this is more than 48%, I'm through. 13 by 27. It is more than 48%. I found the answer. 25 doesn't work. 27 works. I'm through. So what will I do? I'll do take 13 divided by 27. Put a 0 here. It should go 4 times. That I know. 108. 220. 27 into 8 is 216. Yes, yes, yes. I'm very happy. 4815 something. So this is 48.1% is possible. There are 13 boys, 13 girls and 14 boys in that class. The percentage of girls will be more than 48, less than 50. That satisfies the condition. The 25, it won't work. 23, 21, 19, it won't work. So therefore, my best possible answer for the least number is 27. And algebraically doing this is a pain. Trial and error are kind of going from answer choices, and practiced trial and error works brilliantly.